Halloween is right around the corner, so here are my top 6 favorite books that I love to read with my kids for spooky season. Little Blue Truck Halloween. This is one of our favorite books for Halloween. If you love the Little Blue Truck franchise, you're gonna want to pick this up for Halloween. So the Little Blue Truck is getting ready for a costume party. It's the same illustrations that you love in the original Little Blue Truck book. He's picking up all of his friends, they're all in costume, and this is a really fun book. Still has those flaps, like if you know Little Blue Truck Springtime or Little Blue Truck Christmas. And then at the end, Little Blue Truck is all dressed up for the party. It's a big reveal. It's a lot of fun. One of our favorite books. The Goodnight Train Halloween. We love the Goodnight Train book series, and this one's another favorite. Very similar story to the Goodnight Train original book, except it's Halloween themed. What I love about this book is it incorporates spooky season, but in a very cute way, and the story flows so nicely. Sometimes there are franchise books that have these holiday offshoots and they don't really flow as nicely. It's another great book to add to your Halloween collection. It's Pumpkin Day Mouse. This one's a really cute book, especially if you have really young kids. It's our favorite little mouse friend, and he has 7 pumpkins to decorate. He goes through decorating, adding faces to all the pumpkins, a silly face, a frown face, a surprised face, getting your young kids to understand facial expressions. He gets his little friend, the dog, to come in here, and it's just a really cute book. And if you know Give a Mouse a Cookie, this is the Halloween edition. Trick or Treat Pout-Pout Fish. Well, one thing to call out, this book is a lot thinner than the other Pout-Pout Fish franchise books. But if you love the Pout-Pout Fish, it's a really cute story themed for Halloween, and a great book to add to your Halloween collection. The 12 Days of Halloween. And if you're thinking, yes, it's like the 12 Days of Christmas, you're absolutely right. It's a Halloween themed. This book incorporates the counting for your young kids, has really fun pictures, kind of reminds me of, me getting ready for Halloween as a kid. Really nice illustrations throughout the book. And honestly, if you try to sing it in the 12 Days of Christmas song in your head, you can get away with singing the 12 Days of Halloween in that Christmas tune. Happy Halloween from the Very Busy Spider. If you love Eric Carle, we love Hungry Caterpillar and a lot of his other books. This is a great, cute little book to add to your collection. It's great for young kids because you have the little flaps here to reveal spooky animals like the owls, other creatures in here like bats. It's really, really cute. And you have a pumpkin. Inside the pumpkin, it's a jack-o'-lantern and the Hungry Caterpillar. So if you're looking for a really cute book, great for younger kids, this is a nice little flap book to add to your spooky season collection.